Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Have your iPhone ever stuck on the lock screen? You cannot unlock the screen and even open the camera, but don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you some effective ways to fix iPhone frozen on lock screen. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and release the volume up and volume down button. Then press the side button till the Apple logo appears. Release the button, then your iPhone will back to normal. But if this method not work, then try the next method. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Just connect iPhone with a cable and open the iTunes. Once recognized, then there will be a pop-up window shows on iTunes screen. There's a problem with your iPhone, and it requires to be updated or restored. Just click the restore. Then iTunes will start restore your iPhone automatically, and it will also update your iPhone. But restore iPhone will erase your data. If you haven't back up your data, and you don't want to erase your data, I'd like to introduce the TunesKit iOS system recovery, without data loss. It can fix 150 plus iOS problems, and get your device back to normal without data loss. You can download it in the description below. Once downloaded, launch it, and connect iPhone to computer. First, you need to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Once done, go back and choose iOS System Repair. Then click the Start button. Next, choose the Standard mode. Here you can see the Standard mode won't cause any data loss, and ensure the device has enough power. Next, ensure the given information is corresponding to your device, then download the firmware package. When the download is complete, click the Repair. The TunesKit iOS system recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Just make sure your device is connected to the computer, and wait several minutes, your device will be fixed. That's it. By the way, we provide a 15% discount exclusive to our YouTube fans. Just go for a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.